do this homework. I watched 16, so from lesson 16 to now, I've been lost.
Yeah.
And I'm like, why am I not getting this? I have watched all the videos. I have reread, looked at everything. I'm like, what the heck is missing? And I find out that we're supposed to be using a Excel sheet.
Oh, for the homework part or the
Uh,
group meeting.
well, both of them, you can use it.
So the chiropractic one?
The categorical data analysis. Did you see that?
Do you mean just like in the program?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. I
wasn't using that, and I was like, why am I not getting this?
Oh no. Yeah, that would make it really confusing.
Yeah, and I finally figured it out. I was like, man, what is wrong with me? So hopefully now I have the right answers. For number 3, I got, where am I? I'm still lost. Number 3, I got 0.743.
Oh wait, what are you on?
What am I on?
Oh wait. Oh my gosh.
Where are you?
I did. Wow. I did the lesson 19, not the lesson 18.
At least I'm not the only one.
Okay, hold on. Well, I've got those, so we're good to go for there.
That's good.
Let me go backwards now. Okay, lesson 18. Lesson 18 is really pretty easy, so that's probably why I was like, I think I know what you're talking about, but no. Okay. Okay, let me start this. True. Okay. Oh yeah, so I haven't even read this. That's great. Okay. I'm sure I can figure it out pretty quick though. Let's see. X1, N1, N2, N2. Oh, and then you put it into the Excel. Okay. PT, CT, CAS. Okay.
And I'm guessing when it says descriptive statistics, the P hat 1 is the P1 and the P hat 2 is the P2.
Yeah. Okay. So the PT, TC. Let me pull up that in. Okay. Sorry, I'm like no help to you right now.
No, not.
Oh my gosh. Because I was like so ready because I was like, okay, like it's pretty easy this week. I was surprised at how quickly that flew by. So Thursday will be like super easy.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. Well, okay. So portion of males in the population. That's great. Okay. So then we do. So your formula. Whoops, go back. Oh my gosh, come on, computer. Okay, so then you would do so P1 is going to be X1 over N1. So that would be 15 over 14. Is that what you did? No.
Hold on. I did, so 15 over 14? What?
Wait, did I do that backwards? What did you do as your X1? What are your X's?
X1, okay, so my X1, I did 52 over 7, and then N1 is 70. X2, I did 42 over 59.
Okay, so where are you getting your numbers? Am I on the wrong Excel sheet?
I don't, I did 2 proportions.
Okay, Okay, so it's the same one, right? It's the same one that's in the book. It's in the reading.
What does yours say? The PTC tasting?
Uh-huh.
What are your numbers? 52 and 70 and 42 and 59?
Oh, it's pulling. Okay, never mind. So in the Excel, it gives different numbers, but on the group, it gives numbers. Okay.
I'm lost again. Holy crap.
Oh my gosh. So you did 70 over 59. Right?
I did 52 over 70 and 42 over 59.
Can taste over the females. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. I just have to sit back and read it for a second. I'm trying to like hurry so I can catch up with you. Okay. So for 3, you got
0.743.
Yes.
And for 4, I got 0.712. For 5, I got the P1 equals P2 and P1 equals P2.
P1 equals P2 and...
Or P1 doesn't, or does not. It has a little slash.
What's the... Oh. With the little things on the top or no?
No.
What is the little thing on the top? What is the difference? It's just on there.
I don't know. I just looked at the website.
You need to throw it out. That's the only one that has that. So
yeah, I just looked at the homework and I saw that they didn't use it, so I just kind of said, "Oh, I'm not going to put it then."
yeah, it's probably just on there to be on there. Okay.
And for my confidence interval, I got negative 0.123 and 0.185.
Okay. Because you're going to do -2. Okay. You do it in this big equation. To get Z is probably the next thing. Okay.
And for 7, I got fail to reject the O, the null.
Okay. Sorry, I'm like no help to you.
No. And I always have difficulty, I guess, with the wording. So if we fail to reject it, is it saying that we have insufficient evidence?
So if you fail to reject it, that means you agree. So that would mean
we have sufficient evidence.
You would have sufficient evidence.
Okay. There is sufficient evidence to suggest that the true population of females who can taste PTC is greater than
different.
I think it's there's sufficient evidence then to suggest that the true population of females who can taste PTC is different.
Different. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. According to the thing that we chose up there, because we weren't saying that it was higher, we're just saying that it's different. And in the next lesson, you're deciding if it's different. So that's what the whole next lesson is about. So
okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Number 9, I got true. The conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And for 10, I put the P1 equals P2 and P1 is less than P2.
Okay.
Because it says, is the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die less than the population?
Yeah.
Okay.
I agree with that.
P1, I got 0.141.
Let me go back. Where's the number?
I'm so glad I was able to figure out that I needed the freaking Excel sheet, or I would have been just worthless. Like I was last week. I was like, where are we? What are we doing?
Pretty much where I'm at. Well, I'm not.
No, you're just.
I'm behind. I'm not behind. I'm early. So you got what for 11?
I got 0.141.
141. Okay, that's what I got.
And 12, I got 0.145.
I feel like this is easier than.
The only thing I have problems on, and have you taken the test yet?
No. Yeah.
Okay.
From last week?
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
Okay. What I have problems on is when it says which test should be done.
See, I did too. Like, I just feel like.
I was like, when did it explain clearly? And a lot of the tests are practically the same.
See, and I found a thing when I was like doing my review that I pulled some notes from, and it was from a different website and a completely different source. And it kind of broke things down in a better format, like use this for this, you know, and that's kind of what I used, and it helped some. So I'm going to look it up again and see if I can find it, and then I'll send you the link because
yeah, I was so confused on that. And I'm still,
less confusing. So yeah.
13 I got negative 2.02 or negative 2.020.
Okay, so we do x1 plus x2 and x2 divide them. Okay, so we have. Sorry, I trust you. I just like feel like I'm not helping, so I want to be sure.
No, you
compare my answer.
There are some times where I disagree as well because I either haven't done it or I didn't understand it. So you always have the answers.
Oh no. Okay, so then I would divide my first set. Wait.
You're doing so well.
What did you get for it? I got 142 or 0.142. Did I do it backwards?
I got negative 2.020, and I'm just using the application. Buddy. Ouch. Ouch.
Okay, you got 0.972.
No, I got negative 2.020.
Okay. I'm doing this wrong, obviously. Oh, because I didn't finish it. Okay. I did half of it. Okay. So they do. Yeah. Okay. So when you're saying you used it in the applet, what are you talking? That's in the you use the Excel program.
In the Excel.
Okay.
If you open up and just put those numbers on the population, the x1, n1, x2, n2, it does everything for you. The p-hats, the z, the p-score, the confidence intervals, everything.
Okay. Where am I getting my x1 and x2? I don't ever use Excel now. Data, no. Sort.
Okay, so if you go to the reading.
Oh,
we're in unit 2, right?
Yeah.
No, we're in unit 3.
3.
Okay, 18.
No, 2. It's 18. Less than 18. Yeah. Okay.
So you would go to 2.2, using Excel to perform these calculations. And then you'd click on the he says in the video, don't do the SPSS, do the categorical data analysis XLS.
Okay.
¿Quién es él? ¿Quién es él? Eres tú. Hola, hola, bebecito.
Okay. So I'll go back and do this one, and I'll just send you my answer.
Okay.
So that way, so what did you get for that one? And then I'll just check it here in like 5 minutes, so that way you're not stuck on here with me with your baby.
I got negative 2.020. ¿Qué quieres?
Negative 2.20.
Yeah. Negative 2. I'm sorry. Negative 2.020.
0 to 0. Okay. I was like, wait, that's not enough beans. Okay. So given the z-score from 13, which should you shade to the left or the right of the p-value?
To the left.
Because we're doing less than. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
For the p-test, I got 0.022. Mira, focus on it.
And that's
And
all in that applet, right?
all of it is in this Excel.
Okay, yeah, I'll put it up right after then.
And that's why I said it's a lot easier once I figured out
Figure
there's
that
just I was trying to do everything by hand. I was like, this is driving me crazy.
Yeah.
So what is the decision? I said reject the null hypothesis.
Okay.
So if we reject it, then we have insufficient evidence. Right?
Right.
Okay. So let's see. There's insufficient evidence to conclude that the proportions who have a heart attack are admitted. Okay, so I think there is insufficient evidence to conclude that the population of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die is less than the proportion.
Okay.
Okay. So let me see.
Perfect. Well, don't submit it. Well, did you already submit it?
I did. Okay, it was just the last one that I got wrong.
Okay.
So the 17 is wrong.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, good. I'm glad you didn't get the other ones wrong because I was going to do them really quick just to be sure I got my answers the same as you. But okay.
And 17, just double check it.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I hope you have a good night.
Yeah, you too. I will be ready to go on Thursday.
Sounds good.
If you have questions before then, just feel free to shoot me a message.
I definitely will.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well, you have a good night, and I'll talk to you Thursday.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.